Hey everybody, I have found the love of my life, and that is Glitterville here in Atlanta. It is the ultimate fabulous sweet shop candy confection dream. So I'm going to take you guys very quickly on a tour inside and kind of give you an idea of just how amazing everything is inside this store here. And actually Stephen Brown is behind the counter. He is the designer, creator of everything here, and they just have amazing products in the store here, from ornaments, macaroons, cupcakes, candy, flamingos, incredible boxes. It really is just an absolute dream come true, and I absolutely love to decorate with the pastel themes for Christmas. So this has become my new favorite obsession right here. This incredible tree right here with all these amazing ice cream cones. So a lot of the merchandise in this store I've gone ahead and purchased, but I can also go ahead and order items for you guys as well. She's super amazing right here. Even all of the Halloween decor that is over here as well is just absolutely incredible. So I can help you guys with all of your fabulous Christmas needs. If you want, contact me on any of my social media, santashelpersdesigns.com. Get me on Instagram, on Facebook, and I can get you guys hooked up. This is amazing, fabulous stuff you cannot find at any run-of-the-mill average place. Love you guys. Bye.